Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for you for the last 15 days of February. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So for Librans, we have the Six of Wands, Three of Pentacles, okay, the Ace of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, the Sun, okay, the Queen of Cups, Ace of Wands, the Queen of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, and the Two of Cups. Okay. So Librans, you have, I think you've achieved something right now. You are enjoying the victory, or uh, you won something, you're enjoying the victory, people are looking up to you, getting a lot of admiration, perhaps you are perhaps in a public eye, or if it is something personal, then you are victorious in something, you are feeling good about something in your life. And with the Three of Pentacles, what I feel is that you are discussing this. See, what I'm trying to say here is, what I'm getting here is that you are moving towards the path somehow. I feel you are victorious, definitely, but yes, you are discussing this with your family and friends. There is something which needs to be discussed for this new beginning over here. That is what I'm getting. With the Ace of Cups, you are getting a beautiful new beginning, giving you a lot of contentment and happiness. And with the Ten of Pentacles, this is something stable, and it is a family, it is something stable and committed. So what I feel here is, perhaps you are feeling good about a relationship. That's what I'm getting. Or what you want a relationship about which you are discussing with your family and friends. Okay, and you are feeling very good about yourself over here, perhaps, if not actually victorious in a situation, but yes, you are feeling good about yourself, very very happy. You have this Ace of Cups, you're moving in that direction, and while you're moving towards this direction of commitment, or moving in that trying to take a decision towards this commitment, that's what I feel, you are discussing with your family and friends over here, taking their opinion and moving forward towards this commitment. So it's like as if you are taking the opinion of your family and friends and then committing. It's something like that, and there is a commitment and a long-term relationship coming in, which is giving you a lot of happiness over here. Okay, you are really very happy over here. Then we have the Queen of Cups, the Ace of Wands, the Queen of Swords. So there is definitely somebody here, or here you are very very emotional about someone, or somebody is very very emotional about you. But the thing here is, what I feel is, the emotions are not being shown over here. Maybe you are emotional for someone, but you are not showing your emotions. And we have the Ace of Wands and the Queen of Swords. So definitely you are wanting a new beginning with this someone. But the thing is, the situation there, this person is very very cold and detached from you. That's what I feel. And here you are contemplating and reviewing as to what can be done in this situation. That's what I feel. Now this can be somebody else. Can be somebody else, because see, it can be you also, that though you have emotions, a lot of emotions in a particular situation, but you are acting cold and detached, though you want a new beginning, but perhaps you don't know how to figure it out, or how to move ahead. With the Seven of Pentacles, you are just wondering as to how to move ahead, or how to take a step forward, if it's you. Otherwise, what I feel is, you are emotional about a situation, wanting a new beginning, but what I feel is that somebody here is very very cold and detached, not investing, or not letting you do that sort of that new beginning. And with the Seven of Pentacles, somebody here is really wondering as to what to do, because with the Five of Swords, there has been a fight. There has been a fight, because of which this person is behaving like detached and cold. Okay, and then we have the Page of Pentacles and the Two of Cups. So what I feel here is, you are contemplating as to how to make a move towards this new beginning which you want, in a situation which has actually caused some fight. So what I feel is there has been some fight, some argument over here in this situation, because of which the other person is distant from you right now, and you want to have a new beginning, and you're just trying to figure out here with the Seven of Pentacles how to do that. And with the Page of Pentacles, you are taking a small step towards it. And with the Two of Cups, I think you are able to achieve that partnership or that relationship. That's what I feel here. Let's see what are the additional messages for Librans. Yes, with the Knight of Swords, the Strength, and the Star. So what I feel is with the Knight of Swords, somebody here has been like a runner. This person ran away from the situation perhaps, or this person, it's somebody doing something secretly, not telling other people, not telling the other person. That's what I get. This is energy of a runner. It's doing something urgently, running away from the situation, running towards something in haste. Okay, something done in a, maybe that was the because of which this Five of Swords energy has come up. Perhaps something was done or said in haste. It can be as simple as that. So some action has been taken in haste or in a hurry. And with the Strength being there and with the Stars, so what I feel is there is something which is your wish fulfillment. Something is there which is your dream come true. But the thing is, now it requires a lot of strength and a lot of patience to make this happen. That's what I feel. It's not easy now to perhaps repair the damage. It can be that. Hierophant. This is something related to a relationship, something related to a commitment over here. This is the Marriage card. Guidance from the angels. Ten of Action. You're working too hard. The angels are asking you to find a healthy balance between your career and your personal life. Be willing to ask for help from others in order to lighten your load so that you can take better care of yourself. Straining to make others happy can be harmful to your health. So, Librans, I think that is the guidance for you, definitely. But I think that you have, I think, achieved something and lost something else which now you want to repair. And it's not easy for you to repair the damaged relationships. I don't know, something like that. Take it how it resonates with you. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.